Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2018 68 plate Mercedes E220 AMG-Line Premium. Now, these premium models come very well specified from the factory. This particular car is finished in the stunning and highly desirable Obsidian black metallic. Lovely colour, shows off the lines of the car very well. Now, the premium then, you get the addition of these lovely 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. They fill the wheel arch very well. Still got a nice ride quality to them. You've got the mountain grey detailing within the centres and then a nice sort of diamond finish on the exterior. We've got privacy glass, bright silver window surrounds, integrated lower diffuser, bright silver detailing on those exhaust tips. We've got rear parking sensors as well as a reversing camera. But all four wheels, they're in nice order, they're riding on nice tyres. We've got LED daytime running lights, we've got front parking sensors. The specification exterior wise is quite impressive, and same goes for the inside. So inside, half leather and Alcantara sport seats, so a very nice supportive bucket style seat. So looking at the bolsters, obviously this is where you tend to pick up most of your wear over time, but as you can tell, those bolsters are in fantastic order. Same goes for the centres of the seat, they're in nice condition as well. Having poked my head in, doesn't smell like it's ever had any pets, doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, and then those rear seats look like they've had very light use. So 4 seats, cup holders in the centre, Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. Looking at the backs of the front, they're not kicked and scratched to death. Now jumping inside, we'll close the door. So on these premium models you get a full electric operated seat. We've got seat heating as well, we've got freeway memory for the driver and the passenger, so an ideal car if you're looking to share it with a partner. You can be driver 1, your partner can be driver 2. We've got our park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, we've got our boot opener which is just there, automatic lights, and then the fit and finish inside of these newer E-classes are second to none. So the steering wheel obviously upholstered in lovely leather, we've got bright silver detailing on there as well, so the right hand side controls the screen up ahead. So as we're doing this video today, this vehicle's only covered 49,614 miles, and then if you control the screen using the black little square, that will then bring up the trip computer, your navigation, radio, media, telephone, and then flicking through to the other side you've got your assistance and services as well. Now on the other side you've got your controls for the display in the centre, so you've got this nice big screen for everyone to see. You've got cruise control and speed limiter on the steering wheel, you've got your Bluetooth phone, voice command. You can control most things off of the wheel. But then coming through to the centre, we've got full satellite navigation. It's a really nice and easy system to use, also very responsive, which is what we like. We've got full DAB radio, so all of the extended channels. We've got our multimedia on there as well, obviously full Bluetooth connectivity, and then you've got all your car settings as well, so seat, dynamic select, assistance, consumption, and so on. Climate control, it's a dual zone climate, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Lovely Mercedes center clock. We've got 2 keys supplied with this vehicle, central cup holders, and a 12-volt power outlet. This lovely open pore wood effect detailing is a lovely contrast against the bright silver detailing. But then if you look, you've got this lovely ambient lighting which runs all throughout the vehicle, so when it goes darker, the light, you can see it a lot better. So you've got this light band running all the way through there, you've got lights in the vents there as well, you've got lights going down the center console onto the door cards. There is a lovely sense of occasion in this car. We've got our dynamic drive select, we've got our parking, which is obviously, if you flick the car into reverse, the reversing camera engages. You've got the guidance lines on there as well, so when you turn the wheel it shows you where you'll end up going. Center touchpad and scroll wheel, central armrest, and then within there is our satellite navigation SD card and 2 USBs. We've got the full panoramic glass roof. Again, thank you to that lovely premium package. So in my opinion, the premium pack is a must. Obviously the AMG line then gives you the full exterior sports body kit. So it does open, it tilts as well. You've got the power blind, so if you ever want to close it all up, you can do. But it's nice and easy to use, just like everything else on the car. But lovely styling on the E-Class coupes. I think the black, again, shows off the lines of the car very well. Obviously styling cues, we've got those lovely pillarless doors, and then when you've got your pan roof open, it just looks fantastic. So if you'd like anything further on this car, if you'd like more images, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch. We'll happily book you in. We are working via appointments at the moment, so please do get in touch before travelling down. We'll happily book you in. I always recommend having a look at our reviews. So at the moment, we're a 5-star dealer. We've got just over 500 5-star reviews from Auto Trader, and those are all from verified buyers, so people who've actually dealt with us and bought from us. If you were to then go to our Facebook page, you'll see happy customers who've travelled the distance. We sell a lot of cars to London, Scotland and abroad, so we do sell sort of cars to people far away. So on our Facebook page you'll see the level of stock that we have, you'll see the numerous awards that we've won over the years, and you'll see all our happy customers collecting their cars. So again, thank you for watching On Sales. There's myself, Dominic, there's my colleagues Graham and Lee. Any one of us would be happy to help you, but thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.